Welcome to the channel. Ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Well, this is an exchange that's making crypto easier and more accessible than ever. Let's jump in. So today I want to talk about one of my favorite exchanges. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. And if you're trying to get into crypto, I think this is a very, very easy to use exchange. Not only that, but the future of money is here, as they say. If you're not getting into crypto in 2025, then it's something you definitely want to consider. But there's a problem. How do you get into crypto? What's a good exchange? How do you figure it out? Sometimes it's not always easy. And you need something that's more user-friendly. So this is a user-friendly platform. It's called Coinbase, and they actually have their own network called Base, but this makes buying and selling really easy. All you do is sign up for an account. You can get crypto, the big one, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, it's all there. The interface is really easy because you don't have to be a genius to use it or even familiar with crypto. You just go ahead, come in, buy, you get easy access to a wide range of cryptos, Bitcoin, ETH, whatever you want to buy. And you can buy them simply with your card or you can use your bank. Plus, they have industry-leading security. Nobody's going to use an exchange for very long if it's not safe. And that's why a lot of people really trust this. Plus, they have 2FA, two-factor authentication, and insurance to make sure that, hey, if something does go wrong with your digital assets, they actually have you covered. And that gives a lot of peace of mind because some stuff can happen on exchanges. Let's face it. Now,
Feel like you make amazing content, but it's buried in the YouTube algorithm? You want to rank to the top fast. You want to dominate your niche. Let me introduce you YTRanker and show you how it's done. First, we'll open up an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. We can see I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video is right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit YTRanker.net, where visibility meets real results. Let's get back to the video.
how can you start earning? How can you start making money? Some things I do, well, you can stake. So you can buy some crypto, such as Ethereum right here, and go ahead and stake it. You put it up and then it earns interest. You get passive income opportunities, and they have a simple staking process. You don't have to, get a Web3 wallet or figure out anything else. You just can simply stake. Plus, they have a learning hub for education where you can start to learn and expand. So if you're into earning crypto, you want to learn a little bit more, you have courses and tutorials, this is where you can get started. Plus, I also use the mobile app on my phone. And if you are a trader, yes, you can use basic tools, but they do have advanced trading tools in case you're into that. Now, how accessible are they? They're in over 100 countries as well, and I have customer support, which is there to help you. Reliable and good to go. Plus, we can see that it's good for individuals, businesses. You can buy, you can sell, you can learn. It's good for businesses, for commerce. So it is good for B2B, trading, finance, staking, your on-chain wallet. They also have their information here, and you can see the security, the company, the affiliates, the about. So that is Coinbase in a nutshell. That's why it's my favorite exchange. I do use it quite a lot in conjunction with Binance. I'd love to know what your favorite exchange is, so let me know down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, please let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.